seen a fish doing push-ups? I heard a saying that transformation without action is like a fish doing push-ups. So if there's no such thing as a fish doing push-ups, then there's little chance that transformation, whether your business, career, or life, will happen without your taking action. I'm Sylvia Henderson, your idea implementation expert at sylviahenderson.com. And I transform your ideas to action. So snapping your fingers or imagining it to be or just putting it out there and expecting it to happen also doesn't work without taking action. Show me an entrepreneur who says it didn't work for her or him, and I'll hold up a mirror to them to show you an entrepreneur who didn't work hard enough for her or his business. So let me give you 3 fast action steps that you can act on as soon as this video ends to move your ideas closer to income generating potential. First, resolve to yourself right now that it takes work to bring your ideas to fruition. I mean real work. It takes time, energy, and financial investment of some degree. So many people who engage coaches and mentors and guides or consultants reach points where it takes too long or it turns out to be too hard, and they stop long before they turn their ideas to reality. So while the work goes well beyond today, you can resolve to yourself right now, deep down inside, that you will do the work that it takes to achieve what you want to achieve. I want that for you. Second, identify the first person who you will turn to for help. Now, you'll turn to more as you move along your journey, but for right now, a few minutes from now, start going through your connections and evaluate your relationships to identify the first expert who can help you transform your ideas to action. That's right, stop and ask for directions instead of taking the wrong turn. And third, from all the ideas you have, pick one and focus all your resources on that one until you reach one of 2 conclusions over time. That the idea is a success and you've achieved your expected results, or the idea is no longer valid for you or your organization at the time and with the existing strategy or market trends. One and done with either result gets you farther long-term than when you spread yourself too thin with too many and unfocused ideas. So take fast action with these 3 steps and you'll never look back for that fish doing push-ups. Let me help you take action on your ideas, whether fast or steady, with specific steps that move you forward towards your goals. Because it takes specific and strategic action on a steady basis to realize progress and to get to where you say you want to be. If you like what you heard and saw here, connect with me at sylviahenderson.com. Stay up to date with my tips and guidance to move your ideas to income and to impact the world. And let's start with a conversation to see how I might serve you or your organization to implement your ideas and to get things done.